How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import SVG onto a sketch. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to an empty file and then click Draft Workspace. And then from here, you simply want to import your SVG file. So I'm going to use this specific SVG file right here. Click the SVG as geometry. And then you want to select the SVG that you want to turn onto a sketch. As you can see, a lot of your SVG will be imported onto multiple parts. So in my case, to make things easier, I'm just going to use this small part right here. So click Edit, click Box Selection, and then you want to highlight your SVG file right here. So as of right now, I'm going to ignore this big chunk of my file right here. And then I'm only going to demonstrate this specific part. From here, you then want to select the draft to sketch, and then the sketch will then appear onto your models right here. So what you can do now is to simply delete your SVG file because now we already got the sketch that we needed. So I'm just going to highlight everything right here, hit delete, and then click on yes. Now that we have our sketch, you can navigate back into something like part design, click create sketch, and then you want to select your plane. Click close, and then you want to make sure that this sketch is under the origin right here. Now click path, and then there you have it. This is the SVG file that we have imported. Of course, you can edit this out the way you want to. Let's select something like 5mm, and here it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.